You'll need to be tagged to share someone's Instagram story, and it must be from a public account. If it is the case, simply tap the notification that mentions you in their story to access your direct messages. Don't worry if you miss the notification. Just go to the direct messages represented by the icon in the upper right-hand corner. Select the thread from the person who tagged you within the direct messages feed, and select the link that reads Add to your story. After choosing this option, the story will appear with a background. Customize it using stickers and text as you prefer, and tap the Send to button in the bottom right corner. Choose your story, and you're done. If you wish to share someone's story outside Instagram, select the story, tap the arrow-shaped button in the bottom right corner. From there, you can select the app or contact you want to share the story with, or you can copy the story's URL and share it anywhere you like. That's it. And as a token of appreciation for staying with us until the end, here's a bonus tip for viewing Instagram posts without an account. Visit imgin.com and enter the username of the profile you wish to view. Select their account, and you'll gain access to their posts, which you can view in full screen, and even download. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, visit our full playlist of Instagram tutorials.